This is how you use your mikme pocket. The power button turns your mikme pocket on and off. The Bluetooth button turns Bluetooth on and off. Press it for 3 seconds to start the pairing. Connect your USB cable to the USB port to charge your mikme pocket and transfer data. Connect a headphone to the stereo jack to monitor your audio without latency and control your gain. The plus and minus buttons are used to adjust different settings like the headphone out volume and the microphone gain. Tap and hold the power button to turn your mikme pocket on. Tap the mikme recording button to start the recording. Tap the button again to stop the recording. The audio file is now saved on your mikme pocket's internal memory. Tap the button twice to play back the last recorded file. Tap again to stop the playback. Tap and hold to enter the gain mode. A pink LED means that Autogain is active and your mikme pocket will adjust its gain automatically. Double tap again to switch to manual gain. You can now set the gain with the plus and minus buttons. Tap again to save the settings.